Okay, so we are back on the Rolls-Royce. We're about to wrap the hood. We just wrapped the pillar, roof, trunk. The other side still needs to be done, but then after that we're gonna do a full chrome delete. There's being antsy like I would be, and is about to use his car factory jack to put his new wheels on. Ooh, it's gonna look good. Look at this, look at this weak fitment. Better fix that shit. Tuck in. You can fit a whole family in that wheel gap. Huh? I said you can fit a whole family in here right now. Better fix that shit. The sign over there. How you doing today?
How I do it.
How's your 3-hour-old canes? Finished up tinting this brand new M5. Gorgeous car. Window tint sides and rear. Look at the interior on this thing. Holy crap. I loved the new E63 when it came out, but honestly, I'd rather have this. This is a really well-spec'd car as well. Carbon ceramic brakes, my first new M5 to see with those brakes on it. Dustin is cutting the clear bar right now. And then we're gonna clear bar the front end of this car as well. And he'll be on his way. Protected in his brand new baby. Civic Type R, lowering springs, install. A couple other things, just as a Mishimoto intercooler. What? Yeah. Happy Halloween. Yo, Anthony didn't use the Halloween clip in last week's episode. What's up, guys? Today we are going to be installing a bunch of stuff on this GT3 that we recently mounted the wheels and tires on. We've got fab speed headers, an exhaust bypass, intake filters. He already has them installed, but we have to wire up these illuminated door sills. See, he's got all his other stuff in here. This was the car that from a few months back we put the roll cage in. So I'm gonna do a quick little exhaust clip of how it sounds right now. Wait, when we're done with the install, I can show you all what it will sound like. That's all it's gonna let me do. Only 4K. I'm gonna come outside real quick and show you the finished wrap job on the Rolls next to our Bentley Continental. These two look so badass next to each other with kind of the satin black vibe on both of them. But main reason I'm out here, I've actually got to go to Momentum Porsche, take this thing and go have an inspection done because somebody's gonna buy it. With us for a little while now, but that's all right. I've enjoyed it. But yeah, I guess I'll just keep y'all posted with what happens. The exhaust install is done. Sadly, I couldn't record any of the progress because I was actually at Momentum Porsche with the other GT3 getting the DME report for the person who's gonna buy it. But now that I'm back, the exhaust is done. So let's listen to it. This Rolls-Royce Wraith that we just did the blackout on. We're about to mount these 22-inch Vossen wheels, specifically made for a Rolls-Royce. You can see this is for the center cap of the wheel, so it reuses the stock center cap, but because those wheels are black, obviously you don't want a chrome center cap on a black wheel. Vossen will make out of aluminum a little piece that goes around the logo, which in return is a nicer look because this is just cheap plastic on the outside. Look at him, look at him clean it. Look at that, so fresh, so clean. It is, I believe, the MLR1 in a 24, and then Ted's wheel, I really don't know the name of it, in a 22, finished in satin black. And then this is in a brushed finish. So this set's actually going out to Speed Shield up in Dallas, but Just as Ted sits here, Tyler's gonna do a boomerang. Boom. The car up in the air right now. Ted is mounting the last tire. I was taking video when he should be balancing a tire. Man. The rear concave looks so deep. Damn, this looks so good.
All right, check it out. We just finished lowering this Rolls-Royce Wraith, wrapping it, blacking it out. Chrome delete package on here. And we've got the newest Vossen Rolls-Royce forged wheels. Rolls-Royce specific wheels with the floating center caps. And what's really unique about it, Vossen even makes their own billet rings right here, so they can be color matched to the car. EVS Gold car, using this to run errands around town. We've got an 18-wheeler right here. We're gonna be delivering some amazing toys for our client. All right guys, we are in the toy box. Let's open all these garage doors, get some light in here. You can check out all these amazing cars. Lamborghini Aventador Sv. Vorsteiner's kit on it. Got a custom built Ferrari F12. This is an oxblood. Got another Vorsteiner Huracan Novara. We got a McLaren 720. We're gonna be loading up all these babies and put them in the toy box. It's gonna head to Austin where our client lives. Anyone is wondering, this amazing house is for sale by me. If you're interested in the house, hit us a DM or comment below. Let us know. Make sure you like and subscribe our videos because we will have a lot more content. All the keys. These are all the bad boys. Rolls-Royce, McLaren, Lamborghini, Ferrari, Lamborghini, Ferrari. Which keys are the coolest, guys? We're gonna be loading up the Lamborghini SV first. All right, let's load up our first car. We are gonna take the McLaren 720. The height up. You don't want to scratch anything. 360 camera. And you also have the reverse right in the center gauge. Unfortunately, it's a rainy day in Houston. And that is the toy box over there. It's gonna get loaded into. Alright, we're gonna grab the Ferrari right now. We're gonna get the F12 Oxblood. So I thought we were gonna load up the McLaren first, but we can't because the door is raised, so it has to be in a certain position inside the truck. 12 key. Let's see which one. All right, baby. You're heading out of town. Beautiful luggage set. It's probably 40 grand right here. Of the tailor-made program. This is completely custom ordered. EVS Motors did all the work on these cars. We did the clear balls, the wheels, the kits, everything. Yes, we're live. Raise button. Getting loaded up first. I'm in the Lamborghini Aventador Sv. We are gonna start this bad boy. And we'll bring this out next. tight space. Try to turn around. Was that a 10-point turn? So what do you guys think? Do you like the Aventador Sv or the McLaren 720S? Which one's better? Show them the controls. Okay, now this way. You roll down this window.
It's close?
Yeah, this car's so wide.
Yes,
This thing is so wide. Right now is okay. Still good. Yeah, so far, yeah. Because that way, this needs to come in more.
Okay.
This side is tight, so maybe reverse. Okay. Good. Good. This much. Okay. Alright. This thing is super wide to load. Barely has space on the inside.
Can you put chalk over there? Have chalk.
Alright.
It's not problem to move for front.
This side has a lot more room. Up is the Ferrari 488. It's got all the signatures from the people involved in building it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our page and click on the bell so it can alert you of notifications of our new videos. Narrow doors, sketchy. Here you can see the green, white, and red Italian colors on the transmission buttons. All right, time to get in the Vossen Navara Huracan Special Edition program from Vorsteiner for the Huracan cars. These things are amazing. It's got the ducktail spoiler. I'm sorry, gooseneck spoiler. That's the correct name for it. Debuted this car, I believe, 2 years ago at the Houston Auto Show. We paint mashed this whole car when we installed the kit. It's a full carbon fiber kit. Carbon fiber bumpers, carbon fiber fenders, carbon fiber wing, carbon fiber front bumper. It's got more carbon fiber than a stock Huracan. Shows mirrors. Cars are loaded. We're about done. All right, last car is getting loaded right now. If you're wondering, all the car has the front axle lifts up, so they look a little funky, but we need it for clearance to go into the toy box here. Down below, let us know which one's your favorite. This one's rolling on ADV1 wheels with the Vorsteiner Navara Aero Kit program for the Lamborghini Huracan. This is the last one. I'm going to be locking up the house. Pretty amazing. This is one of my friend's house, and he's also a really good client. The amazing part is when your clients trust you, you know, with their personal items, sentimental items, just like, you know, personalized cars, these exotic cars. And you know, it's an honor to be able to work with them and to be able to come to their house. I mean, I know the alarm code here. I can lock up the house. They trust me that I'm going to be doing everything right in their best interest. So it's an amazing feeling for people to trust you and you know, to do the right things for them and offer them the value that, you know, I guess no one else can. Exciting. We got all the cars loaded up and I am just locking up the house now. In case you guys are wondering what that noise is that this garage actually has a fire suppression system. I think it needs to be refilled. Hi cars.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Tomorrow. Very specific car.
Yeah. Very special.
Especially the